So hello everyone, this is a really quick repair that we're going to do here. It is on a Tokina autofocus 70-210 millimeters. It's an objective that I got really cheap on the internet, and deal is it has some very small fungus inside. Let me zoom here. You see that small spot there is fungus. So we're going to clean it. This is not going to take a really long time. I would say in 4 minutes we will be done. So to do so, we have to remove the front element. So, and to do so, we take out the zoom. And then there is a small screw here which comes out really easy. You don't have to remove the screw, you just need to get it out a little bit. And then for the front, well, you need to unscrew it. And then, yeah, you see, came out easily. And then I access the element which has the fungus. You see a spot there. It's just on the surface. This is going to be really easy to clean. So we get cleaning gear. Yes, a pair of scissors, so I don't waste cleaning paper, because good quality one is not easy to find these days, because the newer that you find in stores is not as good as the old one. So I rationalize, and then I don't need more anyway, because I have my excellent lens pen, which has this cup on the top here, which is soft, and then I can clean with that. So I put some iso alcohol. Get the paper. We rub with our help. Yeah. The lens is very clean now. We get the blower, which is over there, so give me a second to get it. So I have the blower, so we blow a bit to clean, we blow here, our assembly, we fix the screw, and then we're done. The cheapo lens is still cheapo, but a bit more expensive now. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.